The third group in your biological molecules is lipids. Lipids हम fats को भी कहते हैं. Now most lipids in the body are made up of triglycerides. Triglycerides का क्या मतलब है? Tri mean three, glycer means glycerol molecule, and ides mean chain. Their basic unit is one glycerol molecule and three fatty acid chain. ये जो triglyceride molecule की बात कर रहे हैं, now one triglyceride is made up of one glycerol and three fatty acid chains. The fatty acids vary in size and structure, and lipids are divided into fats which are solid at room temperature and oils which are liquid at room temperature. अगर जो lipid है, if the lipid is a solid, we call it fat. If the lipid is liquid, we call it oil. तो इसके दो ही फॉर्म्स हो गए. अगर वो सॉलिड्स हैं, we declare them as fats. If they are in the form of liquids, तो हम उसको कह देते हैं oils हैं. And the fatty acids can vary in size and structure. होता क्या है? This is one glycerol molecule. ये तीन साथ क्या लगी होती हैं? Fatty acid chains. For example, you can see ये जो पूरा है, which you can see over here, ये जो आपके पास orange dotted line के अंदर structure है, this is one glycerol molecule. इसके अंदर कितने कार्बन आ रहे हैं? C3H5O3. ये आपके पास glycerol molecule है, C3H5O3, which is combining with 1, 2, 3 fatty acid chain. तो ये basically क्या हो गया? This is one glycerol combined with 3 fatty acid chains. तो एक glycerol हो गया and 1, 2, 3 fatty acid chain. This is the basic structure of a triglyceride molecule. तो अगर आपको कभी draw करने के लिए आ सकता है, you can draw its structure as well.